What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have an automatic foam soap dispenser. You guys, this is like the fourth one I reviewed. Family loves it. Everyone loves it, okay? So my wife actually ordered another one of the ones that look like that Nest thermostat, the round one. She loves that one. So she has one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom, in the hall bath, so because she liked that style. So we have another one right here, and we are going to go ahead, unbox it and check it out, and let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so boom, foam dispenser. All right, so with this foam dispenser, it should be battery powered. Most of them has been battery powered, except for the ones that look like the Nest thermostat, the round ones. So this one takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. We're gonna put the batteries in, and it tells you the directions to put the negative and positive. All right. So let's put that in like so. We are going to put the cap back on, then we're gonna twist. Oh, is it locked? Which one? Oh, okay, yeah, we're twisting the right way. Pushing down, turn right. All right. So we push down, we put it on our arrow on that line, and then we push right, and that's to lock it. To unlock it, you could just simply turn left. All right. We are going to dump some of our foam content into the container. Hopefully this is enough. Just doing a simple demonstration, you guys. All right, that's trash. Now we are going to go ahead and put this on top. Twist this on tight. And so right now, everything looks good. All right, we're gonna hit the power button. I think that was it. No, power. Let's hold it. All right, I held the power button down. All right, now it just spit it out. All right, now there's no control on this on how much soap comes out. Oh, and if you like this sink, I reviewed this sink too. It's a sensor sink. Pretty cool. All right, love this. Everything is touchless, you guys. Loving life like this. Touchless. You don't have to touch nothing. Now I just have to get another paper towel dispenser. So that's pretty cool. All right, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, these are the coolest things in the world, you guys. The foam automatic dispenser, soap dispenser, the coolest. And then along with the sensor faucet, the coolest. I reviewed this a few, what was it? No, it might have been last year. I don't know, you guys. I reviewed so much, but this is probably one of my favorite faucets. All right. I want to put another one upstairs in the hall bath. So I'm thinking about that, looking into that as well. But this is awesome, you guys. You can't go wrong with the automatic soap foam dispenser. Can't go wrong. All right. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.